Are you ready to unlock the secrets to exceptional financial success and professional impact? In this video, we're delving deep into a unique mindset that has empowered individuals to turn their dreams into realities and achieve remarkable financial feats. It's not just about amassing wealth, but fostering a way of thinking that drives continuous growth and innovation. Discover how this powerful mental approach, embraced by some of the world's wealthiest self-made individuals, fuels personal development, encourages calculated risk-taking, and fosters emotional intelligence. We'll also explore how it drives value creation and transforms the concept of success into a journey of constant learning and improvement. If you're eager to step into a world where money becomes a tool for growth and success is more than just a destination, you're in the right place. Get ready to shift your perspective and join us on this transformative journey towards financial prosperity and overall success. Let's dive in and revolutionize the way you approach life and wealth. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any life-changing insights. Let's start by defining the millionaire mindset. The millionaire mindset is not just about having a lot of money or living a fancy life. It's more about how people think about making money, the plans they use, the good habits they build, and the positive attitudes they have. Having a millionaire mindset means seeing money, success, and life in a powerful and positive way, based on some important basic ideas. People who become millionaires through their own hard work and effort do it because of their mindset, not just because of luck or chance. They believe in themselves and work smart to achieve their goals. The power of lifelong learning and growth. The millionaire mindset is all about believing in yourself and knowing that you can keep growing and getting better. Millionaires understand that they can learn new things throughout their lives, so they never stop trying to learn. They read lots of books, stay curious about the world, and try to learn new skills or knowledge. When they face challenges, they don't give up. Instead, they see these challenges as chances to learn and improve. Even when things don't go as planned, they don't see it as a failure, but as a lesson to do better next time. Millionaires don't feel stuck in their current situation because they have a special way of thinking called a growth mindset. This mindset allows them to believe that anything is possible and they can achieve their dreams no matter where they start in life. They know that hard work and learning can take them far, and they use this positive mindset to reach their goals. The power of emotional intelligence. Millionaires are people who have a lot of money. But it's not just about money. They also have something called emotional intelligence. That means they are good at controlling their emotions and can wait to get what they want. Even when things get difficult, they don't give up on their plans. They are strong and can bounce back from tough situations. They believe in themselves and their abilities to overcome challenges and achieve their goals. So, it's not just about having money. It's also about having the right mindset to handle tough situations and stay focused on their dreams. The path to millionaire persistence and vision. Becoming wealthy usually means taking some careful and thoughtful risks. But let's be clear, millionaires are not like gamblers who rely on luck. Instead, they are smart and calculated. They know that to achieve big things, they sometimes need to do things that might feel a bit scary or uncomfortable. It's like taking a small chance on something that could bring them a big reward. Millionaires don't expect to become rich overnight. They have a long-term plan for their success. They understand that building wealth takes time and patience. So they stay focused on their goals and keep working hard even when things don't happen right away. They are willing to make sacrifices today, like putting in a lot of effort and maybe giving up some fun things, so that they can have even greater success in the future. They understand that the hard work they do now is like planting seeds for a bigger harvest in the days to come. And that's how they can turn today's efforts into tomorrow's success. Millionaires' impactful creations and collaborations. Millionaires don't just want to collect money for themselves. Instead, they are really good at creating things that are valuable and helpful to others. They are always thinking of new and better ways to give something useful to their customers or make their investments better. Also, they know that they can't achieve success all by themselves, so they work on building connections with other people, like making friends or partnerships, to help each other out. It's like a team effort where everyone benefits from working together. In a way, it's not just about being rich, but about making a positive impact on others and building strong relationships along the way. By doing this, they become even more successful and influential in the long run. The millionaire's journey of impact, gratitude, and optimism. In the millionaire mindset, money is not the ultimate goal, but more like a helpful tool. It's like having a special tool that helps them achieve their dreams and do good things for others. They don't just want money for the sake of having it. They want to use it wisely to make a positive difference in the world. They also have a thankful attitude, which means they appreciate and are grateful for the people who have supported them along the way. They understand that they didn't get where they are all by themselves, and they believe in giving back and helping others too. Another thing about millionaires is that they are positive thinkers. They see the bright side of things and look for opportunities instead of focusing on problems or limitations. This optimistic outlook helps them find creative ways to keep moving forward and make the most out of any situation. The time-wealth equation: patience, growth, and success for millionaires. For millionaires, time is incredibly important. They understand that time is even more valuable than money because once it's gone, we can't get it back. So they are really good at managing their time wisely. They focus on doing things that are most important and will help them reach their goals. They understand that building wealth takes time, just like a marathon race that requires endurance and persistence. One thing that sets millionaires apart is their commitment to self-improvement. They never stop trying to get better at what they do. It's like they are always learning and growing, like students who never stop studying. The wealth of relationships, mentors, integrity, and trust in millionaires. Millionaires know that having good relationships with others is crucial for building wealth. They have people in their lives called mentors who are like wise guides, helping them with valuable advice and support. They also use their connections with others to discover opportunities that can help them become more successful. One important thing about millionaires is that they always act with honesty and fairness in all their dealings. They know that being trustworthy and doing the right thing is very important for their success. They work hard to build a good reputation, which means how others see and think about them. They know that having a good reputation and being trusted by others is like having a precious treasure that can lead to more opportunities and success in the long run. So, they take care of their relationships and always try to be a reliable and honest person. Foundations of success: health, frugality, and philanthropy in the millionaire mindset. In the millionaire mindset, they focus on sustainability, which means making sure things last for a long time. Just like how a strong building needs a solid foundation, they prioritize their health because it's the foundation for their long-term success. They are also careful with how they use their resources. Instead of spending money carelessly, they practice frugality, which means being wise and smart with their money. They understand the importance of managing their resources wisely, so they can make their wealth last longer. Another thing that's really important to millionaires is giving back to others. They believe in using their wealth to help make the world a better place. They do philanthropy, which means they give money or support to causes they care about, like helping people in need or supporting important projects. By doing this, they are using their success to make a positive impact on others and the world around them. So, there you have it. The key takeaways from our journey into the millionaire mindset. It's all about embracing a transformative view of success and wealth, seeing opportunities where others might see challenges, and having the courage to take bold steps toward your dreams. Remember, education and personal growth are essential. Keep learning, evolving, and enhancing your skills to stay ahead in the game. Having a futuristic vision and unwavering determination are the foundations of building lasting wealth. But don't forget to master your emotions, believe in yourself, and maintain an unyielding spirit to overcome any obstacles that come your way. Successful individuals focus on creating value and collaborating with others to innovate and make a positive impact. They treat money as a tool for change and are grateful for their success, always looking for ways to give back to others. Maximize your effectiveness by managing your time wisely. being persistent in your pursuits, and never stopping your self-improvement journey. Building enriching relationships is vital. Seek mentors who can guide you, network effectively, and always uphold high ethical standards in your dealings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss an upload and you can enjoy the excellent content I send your way.